Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow tart. Start by combining 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until they resemble wet sand. Press this mixture evenly into a 9-inch tart pan, ensuring the sides are well formed. Bake the crust in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Then let it cool completely. Next, let's create the luscious filling. In a large bowl, beat 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until it's wonderfully smooth and lump-free. In a separate bowl, whip 1 cup of heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture, then spread this delightful filling over your cooled tart crust. Now for the star of the show, the marshmallow topping. Arrange about 20 large marshmallows, or a generous layer of mini marshmallows, over the creamy filling. For that perfect golden brown finish, use a kitchen torch to gently toast the marshmallows until they are beautifully caramelized. If you don't have a torch, a quick minute or two under the broiler works too, but watch them closely to prevent burning. Once your marshmallow tart is assembled, it's crucial to chill it. Place the tart in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours, or ideally, overnight. This allows the filling to set properly, ensuring perfect slices. Before serving, you might add a sprinkle of chocolate shavings or some fresh berries for extra flair. Use a warm knife for clean cuts, and then enjoy your delicious homemade marshmallow tart.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.